Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given an arch ABC whose equation is also given y equals to negative half x squared plus 3x, where x and y are horizontal vertical distance of a point on an arch from the foot A of the arch as shown. Complete the table and draw the graph of the parabola representing the arch ABC on the grid. Alright, let's complete part A first. Part A happens when x is equals to 1. So for this particular completion of the table, I will have to substitute this x with 1 and 6 respectively. And usually when I do that, I like to put bracket to remind myself that to get this value, it will be negative half times 1 square plus 3 times 1. And this will give me 2.5. As for here, this one will be negative half times 6 square plus 3 times 6. And this will give me 0. Alright, and once I have this table, I can then plot this particular table, this graph easily, where I will have my 0, 0. So I'm going to just make sure that I can see this table easily and just put it near here. Later I will remove it. Okay, come let's start plotting the graph. When x is 0, y is 0, that's the point down there. 1 and 2.5 here. 2 and 4 up here. 3 and 4.5. Where I come back to 4 and 4. 5 is 2.5. 6 is 0. So you can see this nice little arch or this curve, and that's where we are going to continue to plot the points, connect the points together. And continue. You should see a nice little arch. As such, do remember to, again, write out the equation of this graph near the graph. In this case, y equals to negative half x plus 3x. Alright? Okay, so now let's move on to the questions per se. Part B. Find the vertical distance of the point P, whose horizontal distance is 4.6 meter from the foot A of the arc. Horizontal distance is 4.6, which means I just need to go over to this particular graph and go to 4.6. So for this, I will just use this and come over to the other side. Okay. So there's meter. And 4.6, let's zoom in. Where could this 4.6 horizontal distance is? Here. That's where the 4.6 meter is, and at this point, what could be the answer? 3.2. Okay, and therefore the answer here is simply 3.2 meter. Use your graph again to estimate the bottom, the width of the bottom AC of the arc. Which means that if I were to come over here again, from here to here, that will be, yep, 6 meter. The maximum height of the arc and the value of x where it occurs, maximum height is here, all the way at the top. So the maximum height would be 4.5 meter, and the value of x where it occurs, 3 meter. Okay, so I just need to write down the maximum height. And it occurs at x equals to 3. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.